Hi, I'm Lynette and welcome. Today I'm doing a look with the Nouveau palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's a 12-pan palette with 7 shimmers, one of which is a duochrome and one, the deepest shade, which is more of a satin finish, and 5 mattes. The palette retails for $55 and comes with a mirror but no dual-ended brush. I think the palette is overpriced, but the quality is nice. Not a lot of kick up in the pan when you dip your brush into it, and very little fallout. The 2 mattes I used were pigmented. The first shade I used in a crease needed some work to blend. Maybe that's because it is a really deep matte shade. And then the shade I used in the inner corner, very pigmented, very easy to apply. The shimmers I used are smooth and applied so well that I didn't feel the need to wet my brush or even apply a second layer. This was my first time using the palette and I enjoyed it. The shadows were easy to work with. I do like the formula and I look forward to creating more looks with it. Everything I use on the eyes will be listed below. So let me know, do you have this palette and what are your thoughts? If you like this video, then please give it a like and consider subscribing. I'm here every week with makeup hauls, swatches, tutorials, and reviews. I want to thank you for joining me today. I hope to see you again next week. Until then, bye-bye.